All right, we're finished with Module B now, and we're moving on to Module C. I can only hope that what you're thinking right now is, can't we do some math in this math class? And the answer to that question is yes. From here on out, most of the work you're going to be doing is actual math, and most of the work is going to be done in this MyLabs Plus area. However, before I take you over there, I do want to show you the assignments that you'll still be turning into D2L. So if you click Content and go to Module C, you'll see a big list of assignments here for Module C, but maybe the outlook of the class is a bit more clearer if you actually go to Assignments in your Dropbox. And you'll see that the rest of the way, all you have to turn into D2L are status reports every Friday and the study guides that go with the sections. The study guides are math related, but they will be turned into the Dropbox here. Now everything else that's going to be due in this class is done back at this MyLabs Plus or MyMathLab. Now if you go into MyMathLab or MyLabs Plus and click Module C, you'll see some possible links that you can go through here. If you want to see the actual assignments, you can click any of the sections and click, say, Do the Homework. And you can see all of the assignments for Chapter 3 here. Now just as a reminder, if you want to try to test out of this module, you can. You can try to take this Chapter 3 pretest, and if you get an 80% or better, you're not required to do the rest of the assignments in Chapter 3. I'll just give you whatever grade you get on the pretest for this module. Now, if you actually want to study a bit before you take the pretest, you could go in and do some of the homework, and that's probably a pretty good idea. The other option for studying for this pretest is using the study plan. If I go back to section 3.1 here and I click the study plan, there are lots of problems that you can go through here. There's a video here, there's little quizzes that you can take. None of this stuff in here is actually graded, but if you want to try to test out of this module, this is a pretty good place to go to try to prepare for the pretest. Now I'll go back to section 3.1 again, and just remind you another time, there's the e-text right here, there's some videos right here that you can go to watch, there's an interactive concept check that you could check out. For any of you that feel like you need to go through all the assignments and you won't be able to test out of this module, please just start up with the 3.1 to 3.2 homework. If you click that link and say click on a question here, once it loads, you'll notice that every question comes along with some question help. Now if you have a question about any of the homework problems, this is where you should go to ask me. If you click this link, you'll be prompted to send me an email, and in that email I'll get a link that shows me the actual question with the numbers that you're working on and what you've done on it so far. So please use this to ask me questions if you have any specific homework questions. Okay, I hope this clarifies what you're supposed to be doing now. Please do get started on the 3.1 and 3.2 homework. Make sure that you're working through this assignment list, unless you test out, of course. And keep in mind that back in D2L here, you still do have weekly status reports to fill out and study guides for each module. Okay, good luck, stay in touch, and I'll talk to you later.